Hello everyone, my name is Prakyat. I'm from Bangalore. So very recently I had an opportunity to get training with car cosmetics. So it was a wonderful experience. From the very beginning, Mr. Raj sir and Hardik sir were very welcoming and very professional. So it was a very well structured program which covered paint corrections and interior exterior cleaning with PPF and ceramic coatings. So here they have very well explained about each steps, and not only explain about the steps but also gave reason why each steps of paint corrections or ceramic coatings is important. So after the training, I feel very confident on my car care abilities or the detailing abilities. So I highly recommend not only beginners but also professionals to get into this kind of training, which would be much better than an online training and give them more confidence and a more professional outlook for their detailing studio. So here in this program, not only on the car care or the detailing part was covered, but also on the marketing, sales, and how your detailing outlet should look like and how you can attract customers. Also, we spoke about finance, so what kind of right investments should be done, and a proper guidance was given. So what I liked more about this kind of training is, or the car cosmetics training to be precise, they choose quality over quantity. So it was not a rush. Each process was it was a day by day process, and not only theoretically, but also we had got an opportunity to do the training practically as well. So everyone gets an opportunity and a chance to practically do all these steps. So yes, I highly recommend people around India to be a part of car cosmic training.
हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज संदीप मोहम्मद। तो मैं मेघालय से बिलोंग करता हूँ। तो ये स्पोर्ट्स सिस्टम का बारे में मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पर कुछ पता चला एंड आफ्टर दैट मैंने 3-4 जगह देखा था। सूरत में मुझे ये वाला मिला इंस्टाग्राम का थ्रू। और तब मैं ढूंढ रहा था बिकॉज मैं कार डिटेलिंग का इंटरेस्ट है, डिटेलिंग का दुकान खोलने के लिए जगह ढूंढ रहा था, मतलब इंस्टीट्यूट ढूंढ रहा था सीखने के लिए। सो ये वाला इंस्टीट्यूट मिला, सो मैं इधर इसका रिसर्च किया एंड मैं इधर श्योर नहीं इधर आएगा कि नहीं आएगा करके, बिकॉज अब इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए बहुत डर भी लगता है। सो इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा आसपास देखा, कहा कि नहीं फॉर मुझे ये सिलेक्ट किया एंड मैं सूरत में आ गया। सूरत में आके ये जगह को देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा। सर को भी मिला, राज सर से भी राज सर ने हमको 6 दिन का ट्रेनिंग दिया। इस 6 दिन का ट्रेनिंग में बहुत कुछ सिखाया गया था। मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मालूम था, लाइक PPF कैसे करना है, कोटिंग कौन सा है यूज करता है, कुछ भी मालूम था। मुझे सिर्फ डिटेलिंग का यही मालूम था कि हाँ डिटेलिंग में काम क्लीनिंग होता है, इनका साइन करवा देता है, ऐसा कुछ मालूम था। तो इधर में आके सेटिंग का प्रोसेस भी होता है, मुझे इधर आके मालूम चला। एंड PPF तो था जानकारी, कैसे अप्लाई करता है वो नहीं मालूम। इधर में आके सीखे बहुत अच्छा लगा। एंड आप लोग भी आने जाने से इधर आ सकते हो, सीख सकते हो। जेन्युइन इंस्टीट्यूट है, कोई करने का बात नहीं है। सर आपको फर्स्ट प्रोसेस से लास्ट प्रोसेस तक एकदम डिटेल में सिखाएगा।
Hello, I'm Fadil from Mauritius. I found out about on social media and all that. And when I contacted the Cosmic, I made an amazing service from the back office staff. They sent me to Mr. Raj, who gave me all the perfect information and all my answers to my questions. And finally, after some days of talking and all that, I managed to come to India to have the training, where I got like a boost in my confidence and to know exactly how to do the job and to do it perfectly from step 1 to the final step. Now I'm ready to go and work and to have all the perfect results here. But thanks to Cosmic, to the huge team and the amazing service once again.
Hi, my name is Rajesh and I am from Hyderabad. So, letting you know this about the car cosmic is my passion is about cars detailing and the cars modeling and the designing of new techniques and the parts. So I know about the car detailing works. So initially I thought that it's very easy process. The theory part is one of that, and apart from that, the technical one is very difficult. So coming to this one, I have googled and I have researched for this one. The Car Cosmic is providing the training. So I came to the Car Cosmic and I spoke to the Nandini and the Raj sir. So they have taught me like whatever the problem you are facing in the technical side, the Raj sir will come with the solution. So it's very helpful for the training who are passionate about the detailing work. So please visit the Car Cosmic and they will teach you how the reality is. So that's it.
So hi, this is Vishal Thakur. I'm from Bulanchat, Uttar Pradesh. Earlier, there were some basic things on my mind regarding this car detailing, and also I was just searching for the better options where I could have understand these things professionally, both in hands and also on the papers. So as far as I was searching, I got to know about Car Cosmic. I saw some of their videos and also their reviews. There I got that yeah, this is the thing that will simply pay for my future. So then I got to connect with them. Earlier I was not able to come here, but then after 6 months I again reconnected, and they are so friendly that they again reconnected, and then we have a talk. Then I came here. It was a 6-day journey, and I thought this might be long, but yeah, that's it. But it was super. It is really super. They are very helpful. They are friendly. Even they told us to remain connected in the future for any references or for any like type of queries if we have. And regarding the course was absolutely fine. All the messy things, all the confusions that I had in my mind, in this 6 day course, like I was somewhere in doubt that will 6 days be enough for me to have that confusions clear out, but surely it is. I think the Car Cosmic is doing very great in this field, and yes, if they are able to let me handle all my confusions, so yes, they are. And now I am very confident regarding opening my store and doing that much good in this field as far as I have considered. So according to me, everyone should come here if they are willing to know about detailing or they are something planning for their future. And yeah, they are the best for me in this field, who are doing best currently, and I think we will be connected and doing things further. Thank you.